As we gather here today, we reflect on the remarkable journey of our beloved school, from its humble beginnings to its current status as a beacon of education in our surrounding area. To shed light on the achievements and milestones of the past year, it is my now privilege to invite our Honorable Principal to present the school's annual report.
தமிழே உயிரே வணக்கம். தாய் பிள்ளை உறவம்மா உனக்கும் எனக்கும். அமிழ்தே நீ இல்லை என்றால் அத்தனையும் என் வாழ்வில் கசக்கும் புளிக்கும். தமிழே உயிரே வணக்கம். Good evening to one and all present here. In this splendid and auspicious year, I extend my heartfelt salutations to our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Sailendra Babu, a retired DGP, our esteemed host of honor, Mr. Ruben Kumar, Deputy Superintendent of Police, our most respected founder, Mr. Samuel Sir, and founders, Mrs. Sandy Devabel Ma'am, our Reverend and cherished correspondent, Dr. Samuel Sujin, and co-correspondent, Ma'am, Dr. Deba Brightly. I offer a warmest regards to the unwavering supportive parents, beloved students, devoted educators, and esteemed attendees gracing these momentous occasions. I take this extraordinary moment to present you all with annual report of 2023 and 24. Origin of our school. Our ST Sion Metric Higher Secondary School was founded in 1988 with 40 students in the building of Mr. SKS. In 1994, it was upgraded to high school and currently stands as the premier school in the district. In the current academic year, over 2,000 students are pursuing their education here. Highly qualified teachers handle all subjects, providing excellent education. Notably, SDS school is renowned for proficiency in English and handwriting skills. Competitions, exams, handwriting practice and speech contests are conducted in every classes, with prizes and certificates awarded to outstanding performers, validating this reputation. To build creativity and nurture talent of the students in various disciplines, our school provides training in activities like Bharatanatyam, yoga, karate, silambam, cricket, archery, skating, abacus, basic maths, and music classes in Carnatic, guitar, keyboard, piano, violin, and etc. that will be useful in life. With the aim of groom national leaders, patriotism and national spirit are ingrained in students along with daily education. Specifically, this academic year, initiatives like Sarana Saraniyar Movement, National Guarded Corps, Green Force, Junior Red Cross, etc. have been revived to instill service mindset and nationality power in students through everyday learning. Education with health. Our school playground has been renovated at cost of 5 lakhs and all the necessary playgrounds have been set up to improve the physical welfare of the students. With the aim of that education with physical health will produce a better education. For example, basketball court and cricket court have been newly constructed in this academic year. To identify the unique talents among the students and make them achieve in every field, a special training are given separately for all type of sports and competitions in our school, and students are taking part in all the sports competitions held at zonal, district and state level, organized by the Tamil Nadu government, and bring out their talents. It is noteworthy that for the last 2 years, our school students have won the overall champion trophy at zonal level and district level. And also it is noteworthy that our students who participated in karate, silambam and yoga competitions were selected at the state level and national level infrastructure development facilities of the school. This year, our school campus has been properly paved, variety of trees and saplings have been planted. The school building have been completely renovated at the cost of 10 lakhs and have been painted in spectacular colors. For the benefits of the students, an additional school building is being constructed for our school this year at a cost of 3 crores. As per the request of parents, this year 3 new vehicles have been purchased and they are being operated regularly. All the equipment required for the methodical examinations for the higher secondary students has been procured at the cost of around 5 lakhs and handed over the respective departmental teachers. For multilingualisms in our school in 3 languages like Tamil, English, Hindi, regular trainings are given to the students to excel and the students are prepared to participate in district and state level competitions. Especially the students who participated in art competitions in Tamil language got the overall champion title and brought pride to our school. Our students have participated in the district and state level Pratmik exams in Hindi and have won various prizes. Modern education policy. The curriculum of our school is being modified time to time in accordance with the new educational policy. For example, education is given to students through play-based education for kindergarten classes, procedural education for elementary students, and practical education for higher secondary students. In order to prepare the students of our school to face all kinds of competitive exams, our school also provides a coaching for competitive exams. For example, students of our school are getting training for exams like NEET, JEE. As a result of this, 3 students who studied in our school, they passed the NEET exams and now they are studying medicine. Last year, our school students not only achieved 100% pass in class 10th and 12th, but also achieved various achievements at district and state level. Especially our school is the first place in the educational district level. Noteworthy that more than 10 students scored 100% mark in more than 2 subjects at the state level. Safety features. Our school is paying close attention to the safety of our students and all the vehicles used by the students are monitored and is installed with CCTV cameras. CCTV cameras are installed throughout the school premises and students are monitored. Medical facilities. As the administrators of our school are doctors, immediate medical care is provided to the students for frequent ailments through our Sion hospital. Awareness against cybercrime. Our school conducted a program for bringing awareness about cybercrime among the students. Sub-Inspector Mrs. Rajeshwari and Anandi from Satyatop All Women Police Stations attended as a special guest and advised about the role of students in drug eradications and how students become addicts through the telecommunication devices and how to get rid of it. Drug awareness. In our school, in order to highlight the harms caused to mankind by drugs and what is the role of the student to eliminate them, an awareness rally held at July 7, 2023. The rally started from Rajiv Gandhi statue of Satyatop to our school campus. The special guests were Mr. Ruben Kumar, the Deputy Superintendent of Police, Satyatop, Mr. Vishwanathan, owner of Maniam Store, and Mr. Sanmugam from Lions Club. They participated and discussed awareness against drugs among the public. The remaining events will be enacted by our students. Thank you one and all for listening the annual report of 2023 and 24. Once again, I wish you all welcome to the annual day program.
We extend our heartfelt appreciation to the principal for delivering an insightful and comprehensive annual report.